Hey guys, hope everybody's doing great this Thursday morning. I'm going to be doing some more experiments with the pigs in a blanket thing. Got some of the leftover Little Smokies, got some of the salami, got some of the pepperoni. What I'm doing is basically taking a piece of this, breaking the cheese, and then rolling it really tight around it for the salami and the pepperoni. Of course, the Little Smokies, they're already round, so I just break up half of the cheese and then I roll that up real tight. What I end up with looks like this. It's got the salamis first, then the little pigs, or the Little Smokies, and then the pepperonis. And I'm using my old Lodge griddle. Yeah, I sprayed a lot of oil on there, but I don't want anything to stick to it. Plus, every time I do it, it seasons it real good. But I will get these done and we'll make a short video at the end to see what it looks like. This one little addition, I had enough of the biscuits. We're going to do 4 of these with smoked sausage, and then we use pepper jack cheese. Alright guys, everything's wrapped up, ready to go. We've got the salami, the smoked sausage, the Little Smokies, and the pepperoni. Alright guys, here they are. They're done. There is the salami and cheese. There's the smoked sausage and cheese. There's the Little Smokies and cheese. And there's the pepperoni and cheese. Y'all have a great day.